Ready to boost your freelance writing career and get paid premium rates? Let's dive into how to land a writing gig on Toptal, a platform that connects top freelance talent with clients. First, head to the Toptal website and find the Apply Now button. It will take you to the application form. As a writer, you'll be joining a rigorous process, so make sure you're ready to showcase your skills. The application starts with your basic information, like name, contact details, and what type of writing you specialize in. Highlight all of your writing specializations to set yourself apart from other candidates. Be accurate with your information and make sure everything is up to date. Next is your portfolio. This is where you shine. Upload your best, most relevant writing samples. This is your chance to prove your writing prowess. Focus on quality over quantity. Choose samples that demonstrate your versatility and expertise. Brace yourself for the Toptal writing exam. This is how they will test you and show what you know. It's known to be challenging, but it's also your chance to show off your talent. You'll be evaluated on grammar, style, and your overall ability to convey a clear message. Do your research, practice, and give it your best shot. Finally, highlight your experience, whether it's industry-specific knowledge or specific project experience. Tell the platform what you're all about. Applying to Toptal demands effort, strong writing skills, and a commitment to excellence. Follow these steps, show your best work, and you'll be one step closer to landing high-paying writing projects. #Toptal Writer, #Freelance Writing.